Are you one of those who check their phone as soon as they wake up? Then this video is just for you. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. First, I turn off my alarm and say, "Oh no, not again." Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I always say, "Good morning, mirror." After that, I make my bed. Do you make your bed in the morning? Next, I head to the kitchen for breakfast. My mom is already there, making coffee. I greet her with a cheerful, "Good morning, Mom." I usually have a cup of coffee and toast for breakfast, but sometimes I eat cereal. What's your favorite breakfast? At 8 a.m. I start working or studying. I check my emails, watch videos, and take notes. If I have a lot to do, I say, "Let's get to work." Around mid-morning, I text my best friend, "Hey, how's your day going?" We chat about our plans for the afternoon. When I need a break, I stand up, stretch, and drink some water. Breaks are important, right? Around 12:30 p.m., it's lunchtime. I love cooking with my mom or dad. Today, we're making a salad together. I laugh as my dad says, "Are you sure this much olive oil is healthy?" After lunch, I call a friend to finalize our afternoon plans. So, are we meeting at the cafe? In the afternoon, I like to stay active. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park. Today, I'm meeting my best friend at a cafe. We chat, laugh, and share stories. Later, we decide to take a walk outside. The fresh air and sunshine feel amazing. In the evening, I relax. I watch my favorite series or read a book. Around 8 p.m., I have a video call with my friends. We laugh about funny memes and talk about our weekend plans. At 9 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on my cozy pajamas. Before I sleep, I think about my day and say, "Good job today." That's my daily routine. What about you? Tell me your daily routine in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.